Hey everybody, John Freeze with Steiner Tractors. I'm here today to tell you about the AR240 Steiner Core Aerator. The Core Aerator is the key to quality turf health. The AR240 is a front-mounted core aerator that is perfect for fast and effective aeration. The Steiner AR240 has 7 ground-driven rotors with greasable bushings that have 6 tines on each. Comes standard with 4 suitcase weights that are used to create down pressure for better soil penetration. Additional weights can also be added if you need additional ground penetration. The kickstand on the aerator is used to help hook up the attachment, and also when it's stored, it keeps the tines off of the ground. Now let's go ahead and show you how to hook up the attachment to the tractor. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to pull the tractor forward and align your hitch arms to the hitch arms of the attachment. Once you have seated the hitch arms to the attachment, you're going to want to engage the parking brake and turn off the tractor, and then step to the right side of the tractor. You'll then drop the locking lever into place, locking the attachment into the tractor. At that point, you're going to want to lift up the attachment using the hydraulic levers, step off of the tractor, and take out the pins on the kickstand. Once the pins are out, you can flip it up and then reseat the pins, and you're ready to go. Once you're ready to go, you just want to make sure that while you're aerating in the float position. As always, please make sure you read your operator's manual for important safety information before operating any Steiner equipment. For more information, contact your local dealer or visit us at steinerturf.com. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook for important product information and updates. And again, thank you for watching.